Students, a leaf has different parts. LPV. नहीं समझ में आया? Let's understand. L stands for lamina. P stands for petiole. V means veins. Okay? Let's understand in detail. Okay? Suppose this is the diagram of a leaf. Okay? ये क्या है हमारे पास? एक leaf का diagram है. Okay? This is a leaf. In this diagram, you can see there is a broad, flat, green part. Okay, so this broad, flat, and green part is called as lamina. Okay, this is broad. Okay, this is flat, and this is green in color. So this broad, flat, and green part of the leaf is called as lamina. Okay, this is what? Lamina. The surface of the leaf is called as lamina. Lamina is also called as leaf blade. Okay. In some books, it is given as leaf blade. Okay. So lamina and leaf blades both are same. Both are same. लैमिना क्या होता है? लैमिना लीफ का ब्रॉड वाला पार्ट होता है जो कि काफी ब्रॉड होता है, काफी बड़ा होता है और ये फ्लैट होता है. इसका सरफेस कैसा होता है? फ्लैट, समतल. और कैसा होता है? ये ग्रीन पार्ट होता है. ओके, लैमिना वाज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ. ओके, ये लीफ का कौन सा पार्ट था? ये लीफ का फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट था. ओके, नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ, दैट इज पेट्यूल. Okay, this leaf is attached to the stem by a stalk. This stalk is called as petiole. Okay, जितनी भी leaves होती हैं ये leaves stem से attached होती हैं और leaf को stem से attach करने के लिए जो stalk होती है, ये जो part होता है, इस part को बोल दिया जाता है petiole. Okay, so this petiole is the second part of the leaf. Okay, this is the second part of leaf. Now we are going to discuss about the third part of the leaf. Okay, so the third part of the leaves are veins. Now what are veins? Veins are these small pipe-like structures. As you can see here, thread-like structure or we can say pipe-like structure. These veins help in carrying water and foods to the different parts of the plants. Okay, so this was the third part of the plants and these are veins. Veins are what? Veins are the thin pipe-like structures or line-like structures present on the surface of the leaves. Okay,